Good morning, Mike Coughlin, Director of Facilities of Horsehead Central School District. I do want to give a testimonial today because I had a nuisance rooftop unit that we had a moldy smell, brand new unit. Went through 3 years, multiple times cleaning coils and starting to mask. Day one after I used the ceramic coating and cleaned it, I was skeptical about it working. But day one, I started getting emails, and to this day now, I am sold that this product eliminated it, and there's never been better in that space.
We certainly.
We have here a Ryobi battery-operated pressure washer. This thing puts out at 320 psi's. It's designed for quick connect. You can hook up a garden hose to right here. You can use a tube that it comes with and put it in different size containers. It comes with a 20-foot siphoning feed to drop into a bucket of water for rinsing or use it for chemical. It comes with a orange medium spray tip, a red low pressure tip, and then a yellow high pressure tip, which is where you're getting your maximum 320 psi's. It does come with an assortment of other attachments. And what we're going to do today is we're going to test this unit out on a 4-ton 16-SEER air conditioning unit. So I have the Simix AC ceramic coating in the concentrate. What I've done is I've mixed it up at 3-to-1 in a empty Diet Coke bottle. And then we also have the Simix multi-surface cleaner, which obviously is step 1. So everything's mixed up. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. We're going to connect this tube and then hook up the bottle. This is the evaporator coil on the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and use the medium flow tip and just spray the cleaner. What we're looking for is enough pressure that it pushes the cleaner in to the fins, but not enough pressure where it damages it. So this hopefully is the right color tip. The orange tip was pushing the cleaner almost all the way through. You could start to see a little drizzle from the other side, but it wasn't exactly what we're looking for. So we went ahead and put on the yellow, which is a high flow. I'm going to spray this side, and hopefully it should all come through that side. If it does come through, this is the correct tip to make sure that we penetrate all the way through the fins with the cleaner. So here we go. Okay, so here's what I realized. I could save a hell of a lot of time if I just keep using the yellow tip. So yellow tip for applying the cleaner. I'm going to say the yellow tip for also rinsing, unless you just happen to have the garden hose handy. Again, I'm trying to do everything with one unit. So we're hooked up to the water, the bucket siphoning system right now. Again, this is a 20-foot hose. There is a weighted ball with a siphoning feed that is inside the bucket. We still got the yellow tip for rinsing. What I like about this is literally I can go all the way around the unit without having to constantly pull the garden hose or take a chance of it getting hit. But what I want to show, what's super important when you're thoroughly rinsing these units, is that you get everything, all the way through. So as you can see, all right, so we got the red tip on. We have tried the yellow tip with the coating, a little too powerful. So we've come to realize the yellow tip is better for applying the cleaner and to rinse it out. We tried the orange tip. The orange tip wasted too much product. We're on the red tip. The red tip seems to be good. I'm just going to do a quick spray because I have already coated this and I'm about out, just so you can see the fact that it does from the outside travel all the way through, which is exactly what you want. So here we go. I'll let it prime. As you can see, goes all the way through.
Hi, I'm Jeff Stanich, founder and CEO of Simix. Our products make sustainability easy and affordable. I'm here today to tell you about Simix, which will cut your energy costs dramatically and extend the life of your air conditioners. Simix will save your facility thousands of dollars every year.
The summer months for sure, we were probably saving somewhere between $2,500 and $2,800 a month. Probably for an annual period, we were saving somewhere to the tune of $22,000 to $24,000.
Simix is a coating that you spray on your air conditioning units to help them run more efficiently and last longer. And that's why the big air conditioning companies really don't want you to know about us. The big air conditioning companies want to sell you more units. The dirty secret of air conditioning companies is that their units start deteriorating the moment you turn them on. Within a month, the efficiency of that shiny new air conditioning unit has dropped dramatically. Why does that happen? Take a look at this. All condensing coils are made the same way, with copper tubes that are thick and aluminum fins that are thinner. During the first 30 days of operation, the expansion and contraction that takes place leaves tiny openings around the fin tube connection. These openings prevent even distribution of heat from the tube to the fin. If you're near the ocean and you don't plug those gaps, salt in the air will dry and lodge in the openings, rapidly decaying the unit. If you're close to heavy traffic, pollution will also get inside the gaps and ruin the unit. Either way, you're in trouble. Because of that non-stop damage, over the first 10 years, your unit generally loses 1.5% efficiency a year. In the second decade, the efficiency drop becomes more dramatic. By the end of the second decade, your unit is only operating at 65% efficiency or less. But Simix fills in those gaps, creating a smooth surface. Simix stops the decaying process. It makes your unit work better, it improves heat transfer, and improves airflow. Improved airflow means your air conditioner will be able to get rid of heat faster. It will do more with less energy. You'll save money, and you will extend the life of the unit. Simix is easy to apply. Application can be done by you or your staff in just a couple of hours. You don't need complicated equipment or special training. If you can use a garden pump-up sprayer, you can use Simix.
Yeah, we cleaned the unit up 2.5 years ago in the wintertime before the summer months began, when we really have big usage on the air conditioning system. And what we saw was between 30 and 35% savings.
Wouldn't you like to save that much on your electric bill? We would love to talk with you about how to make sustainability easy and affordable. Go to simixusa.com for more information.
Alright, we're getting the AC torn apart right now. This is your evap coil. This is where your airflow across the coil and either heats or cools the air. Condensing fan motor, you have your indoor blower, electrical panel. The main thing with the coating is we're going to coat this coil right here. Same thing with your condenser coil. Those are the two coils that make the AC function and transfers heat and cool. These are where, when you coat these, allows the airflow to cross it at a colder rate, which actually decreases the runtime and increases efficiency. Some coils are dirtier than others, like this one, as you can see right there. You do have a little bit more dust compared to others. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and brush the coil. The reasoning for this is you want to get between the fins and make sure all that dirt and debris comes out. The better this breeze, the better the efficiency, the better. One thing when you want to do it, you always want to go up and down. Clean between. If you go across, you actually damage the coils. Okay.